do we find angles? Now before we do that, we need to explain something that you've learned before, that 1 degree is 60 minutes. That's in minutes with the 1 apostrophe, and that's 60 seconds in 1 minute. Seconds. Okay, all right. So we're going to find the value of theta to the level of accuracy indicated. So how do I find the angle that makes the ratio 0.3907? One way to do that is to use a calculator and do trial and error. So for example, if I do sine, say 30, it gives you 0.5. That's too big, isn't it? Let's make it a bit smaller. How about sine 20? 0.34. All right, that's too small, so it goes sine 22. Is it better? Okay, no. So sine 23. I think sine 23, right? Now, that's a long way to do this. Is there a faster way? The faster way is to do this symbol, inverse sine. That's called inverse sine. Now, how do I do inverse sine? Press Shift, press the sine. Now, can you press Shift, sine with the -1 on the top, put 0.3907, you will get, if you round to the nearest degree, is 23 degrees. Does that make sense? So that gives you a fast way of working out the angle instead of guess and check.
So shouldn't it be the equal symbol with the plus on it?
Yep, you're 100% right.
On the question, please.
Puppy, I mean this line
On the question.
on the question.
Because it's not 2907.
Oh no, there's finding the angle that makes it exactly 0.3907. Get it? You're finding the angle that makes that ratio. Yeah, okay, good. Let's do the next one. To find theta, you do Shift tan. And to read it, it's called inverse tan. Let me write this down. This is called inverse. Because the opposite of finding the ratio, inverse tan. So inverse tan, point. No, you won't. Have a try. Have a look how I do it. Shift tan. 1/2. Are you doing the first one? And make sure you press this button to get the minutes and seconds. This button here. So let's, this button, yeah, this one. You press this one. Under fact, 26 degrees, and 3354, 54.18. Now, this is more than 30 seconds. If it's more than 30, you have to add 1 to that. So you end up getting 26 degrees, 34 minutes. Does that make sense? So if it's 30 seconds or more, you have to add 1 to the minute. So the 33 minutes become 34. How do you get these numbers? Press this one. Here, watch. Because that's 60 seconds in a minute. So half of 60 is 30. So anything more than 30, you round up. Yeah? Because degree, minutes, and seconds. It's like there's 360 degrees in a revolution. So that's why it's like clock. So 60 minutes in 1 degree. Different from the time. Yep. Yeah, you have to convert to that. If they say nearest minute. Got it? Okay. So Carl, you got both answers? No problem? Yep. Now we're going to apply it to trigonometry. Give you 1 minute. Thank you. All right. Find the value of the angle correct to the nearest minute. Show working. That's it. Okay, now finding angle is very easy. Watch this. What do we call this side? Very good. How about this one? Now, which one do we use? Sine, cos, or tan? Cos, because cot. So write cos theta equal adjacent over hypotenuse, but adjacent is 9.6 hypotenuse is 30.5. Yes? I wrote down cos theta is adjacent. The value of adjacent is 9.6 over, I can't read it. I'll write it again. No, don't do it yet. Keep it like that. And then you do shift cos. Remember, to find the angle, we do the inverse cos. So you type this on a calculator. So you do shift cos fraction 9.6 over 30.5. Excuse me, 30.5. Oops, sorry, 0.5. Okay, press equal. Now I want minutes, so which button do I press? This one here. So 71:39. Let's write it down. 71:39. And how many minutes? Seconds, 14.51. So you round down. Because that's less than 30, you keep it as 39 minutes. Does that make sense? I know how to do round to the nearest minutes. It's quite easy. Of course, it's quite easy. All right, let's move on. Okay, next one. Okay. Okay, next one. What's the next one? This is hypotenuse. This is opposite. Sine. So write sine theta equal to opposite over hypotenuse. And then to find the angle, you do shift sine. And then use your calculator. You do shift sine fraction 13.2 over 20.1 equal. Press this button here to get. Now this is 59 seconds. You round up to be 41 and 3 minutes. 41 and 3. Not hours. They are degrees. See, not hours. Degrees. Okay, got it now? So now we know how to do. Okay, so complete the exercise.